Guys, welcome back to the channel. This is going to be a really quick video. I've never seen someone do it before, or at least I haven't found one on YouTube, so I thought I'd do one myself. And essentially what I'm going to do is unbox VRSF or VR Speed Factory intercooler kit for a 2G Eclipse. Alright, so let's check it out. I already got the box undone because I wanted to inspect it when I first got it last week. It comes with a lot more foam and packaging than this. It uses a lot of this stuff and there was tons of it, so it is packaged really well. Also, shipping was super quick. I ordered it on a Tuesday and it arrived on a Thursday. I didn't get a tracking number, but it showed up quick, so that's one good thing. Alright, so it's very basic. You have the box, the packaging. On top of the intercooler you have the couplers, black, the clamps, the bolt kit, and then the 3 pipes. The one that bolts to your throttle body, and then I also have mine flanged for a tile. So that's essentially the hardware kit. Alright, so let's move this out the way. Alright, now this is the intercooler core itself. It's a pretty big core, 3.5 inch, like 28 inches across, 12 inches tall. I believe those are the correct measurements. What I like about this kit is it has backdoor entrances. So as you can see, it's short route on the intake side of my piping going towards my throttle body. And that's one of the main reasons why I picked it up, is because I'm looking to excuse me, I'm looking to help my spool characteristics on the car. And my current kit was more of an older one, like an older Punishment racing core or something like that. And it has super long piping, so it'll come out from here and then do a big U-turn and then, you know, 90 up into my throttle body. And while it's a nice kit and it's held up fine, you know, I made close to 500 on it. I'm just looking to help my spool. Plus it's older and it's not as thick as this one, so I will be pulling that one off in another video. So I'm going to basically show you in another video how to unbolt the Eclipse GSX bumper and remove the current intercooler, and then we'll eventually mock this one up. So that's it, guys. This is a quick review of a VR Speed Factory 2G intercooler kit for the DSM. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I appreciate it, and stay tuned for more videos.